ኢየሱስ ተወልዷል። ብርሃን ተወልዷል። ፍቅር ተወልዷል። እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ሰላም ጓደኞቼ እንዴት ናችሁ? እኔ ደህና ነኝ፣ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። እንኳን አደረሳችሁ። መልካም ገና በዓል እንዴት ነው? እኔ ቤት ተመስገን በጣም ደስ ይላል። በጣም ቆንጆ ተመስገን ተመስገን። ዶሮ አለ፣ ዳቦ አለ፣ ቡና አለ፣ አይብ አለ፣ ሁሉም ተመስገን ተመስገን ተመስገን። ቴጅ አለ፣ ማይ ፋቮሪት ቴጅ የኔ ፍቅር የኔ ቆንጆ። ፋሲካ አለሽ ሁሉም ቆንጆ። በስመ አብ ወወልድ ወመንፈስ ቅዱስ አሐዱ አምላክ። Thank you for the food, ጌታዬ።
Amen.
So gursha for miste, the first one, the tradition. Doesn't forget the tradition.
Oui.
Bon appétit በፍራንሰኛ።
ዋዜማን ትላንትና አጠናቀን ዛሬ እንደዚህ በነፃነት እየበላን ነው። እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ትላንትና ቪዲዮን ያያችሁት አላችሁ? ጉድ በረንዳ ላይ ምናምን በጓሯችን በኩል ስንሰራ ነበረ ትላንትና።
ቲሩ ታፍታል ተመስገን።
ያላያችሁት ከታች ያለ ቪዲዮ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። እናንተ ምን ሰራችሁ ትላንትና ወይስ ዛሬ ነው የምትሰሩት? አንዳንድ ሰዎች የበዓሉ ዋዜማ ስለማይመቻቸው የበዓሉ ቀን ጠዋት ተነስተው ነው ጉድ የሚሉት። እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን ደግሞ እሑድ ቀን ስለዋለ ቅዳሜ ከሰዓት ምንም ነገር የለኝም ነበር። ለዛ ነበር የጨረስኩት። ስራ ላይ ሲሆን ትንሽ በዓል ይከብዳል አይደለ? አብሶ ውጭ ሀገር ለምንኖር ሀገር ቤት ያለን ያው ለበዓል ቀን ስራ ዝግ ስለሆነ ደስ ይላል። ውጭ ግን ልክ የስራ ቀን ሲሆን ስራ ሁሉ ነው የሚደራረበውና በአሁኑ ደስ የሚለው ልክ እንደ ፋሲካ እሑድ ቀን ነው በዓላችን የዋለውና እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነ ይሁን። እንዴት እያሳለፋችሁ ነው? እስቲ ኮሜንት ላይ ጻፉልን።
Let's eat.
የተባረከ ይሁን።
አሜን። Wow.
You missed it, Doro.
Doro wet. I'm excited all the time. It's holiday. You know, guys, Doro wet is my favorite dish, not because we make video on Ethiopian topic, but I really in love. Yene fikar, yene Doro. I love you. Oh, the shalom. Temesgen, beautiful. And ankular with Doro wet is the best.
And the ayib.
And ayib, yeah.
It's me, I make it. ayib too.
በጣም ታፍታል።
አንድ ቀን አሳያችኋለሁ አይብ እንዴት እንደምሰራ።
አንቺ በጣም ጎበዝ። በጣም
አመሰግናለሁ።
አማርኛ ትንሽ a little level up.
Yeah.
You'll see by the end of the year. I'm learning serious, very serious. I'll be soon back fini, no more français. I'll
no
talk
more English,
only
no
Amarinya.
more Portuguese.
Only Amarinya I will talk. I'll open shop. Will find me around.
Souk.
Yeah, souk. I'll open souk. France Legation. You will find me there. You can buy mastica, everything you want from me. Everything. I will. Or I will work with my sister, Wawi.
Oui.
Yeah, Wawi, Bele, my brother, my sister. I will work with you.
Well, we have too much shop on fact.
Teddy Shaw.
Yeah.
Whole family.
The family, we are on business in Ethiopia.
Yeah.
ሱቅ በሱቅ
ሱቅ በሱቅ።
በነገራችን ላይ ትናንትና ምግብ ሰርተን ከጨረስን በኋላ ቦሌ ፕሮግራም
ቦሌ amazing.
It's mesmerizing.
Mesmerizing. Beautiful. Proud of you guys.
የእውነት እንዴት ደስ እንደሚል እስኪያልቅ ድረስ በቃ ቁጭ ብለን እናያየ ነው። እግዚአብሔር ፈቅዶ እዛ ብንሆን ኖሮ በጣም ነበረ ደስ የሚለን። እግዚአብሔር በዚሁ ያስቀጥለን፣ ያብዛን፣ በረከቱን ያብዛልን።
Mind blowing. Yeah.
በእውነት የሆነ እንባዬ ሁሉ ነው የመጣው እና በደስታ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ቤተሰቦቼ ሄደው ነበረ፣ ታላቅ ወንድሜ ቤተሰቦቼ ሄደው ነበረና በሰፈራችን ሚካኤል ኢየሱስ ወይ ብላ ማርያም አለች እዛም ነበረ ሌሊት ሙሉ። የቦሌው ግን በቃ የሆነ you remember the ላሊበላ?
ላሊበላ beautiful too.
ገና አብዛኛው ጊዜ የላሊበላ ነበር የምንከታተል። በአሁኑ ደግሞ አዲስ አበባ ላይ ቦሌ እንደዚህ ወጣቱ ሁሉም ነገር ስናይ
ኦርቶዶክስ ተዋሕዶ ልጆቹ በጣም ደስ ይላል። we like to see like
yeah,
that.
it's beautiful.
Unity in faith.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
ተመስገን beautiful. እግዚአብሔር ፈቅዶ ሁላችንም በውጭ ሀገር ያለ እግዚአብሔር ለሀገራችን ያብቃንና እንደዚህ አይነት ነገሮችን እንድናካፈል ያድርገን።
So guys, Gena, it's all about Christ, right? We are not like Ranju. It's all about gift and Christmas trees and no, it's all about Christ. Sometimes we forget. It's all about Christ. So Christ teaches a big lesson, and the big lesson is that he's the King of Kings, Negus Negast, right? I'm right. And he's born in a mandraur, in the most simple place that you can find on earth. So it's all about humbleness, it's all about love. Yes, Christ is born in the lowest place, and he's the highest. He's born in the midst of the cows, the donkeys, and even the kings pay him a visit. So yeah, but I guess that the teaching of Christ are very easy, right? And we human beings tended to make it too much complicated. We complicate our lives so much, our daily lives. So we have to take the opportunity of Gena to let the love of Christ, the love, God is love. So we have to let Christ to reborn in our hearts, because through the years we go through so much tribulation, much hardships, and we can forget about him. We can pray, but the mind can be not all the time focused on his light, and the darkness of the world tend to swallow us. So
focus on his light.
Let's recenter on Christ. Let's take his teachings, very simple. Let's remain humble. What killed this century, I guess, is the ego. The ego of man has grown too much that we stop to care for each other. We are just thinking individual way, and that's not the way. That's not the way. We should accompany each other, even through differences, through hardship. We have to remain united. The people who divide us, they are not working for Christ. They are working for the dark forces, which is, we know his name. No need to mention him today, because Christ overcome him over 2,000 years ago on Golgotha. So let us be the light of Christ. Let us be more Christ-like, walk in his footsteps. Let him born in our hearts each and every day. Christ is the light, the way, the truth, the love. He's everything. He has to be your first love and your last. Let us work in this way to reach all together in the kingdom of God. Because life here, the journey here to God, is just a minute. Let's be good, positive.
ተመስገን ይሄን ለሰጠህን። አሁን ደግሞ የቡናችን ጊዜ ነው። እናቴ በፊት ቡና መጠጣ ጊዜ ቡና ስናፈላ እላችሁ ላይ ነጠላ እንደዚህ ጣል አድርጉ ስለነበርና ይሄው አልተውኳትም፣ ጣል አደርጋለሁኝ ቡና ልቀድስ ምናምን። እናንተስ ታደርጋላችሁ? እኔ ቡና ያው በቀን አንድ እንኳን ስትፈላ የምትሉበት ቀን የለም። ባንዴ ብዬ እንጠጣ ቡና። አሁን ደግሞ ቡናችንን እየጠጣን ወግ እናወራለን። ኒኮዬ ኃይለኛ ጥያቄ ያለኝ የምጠይቅሽ ብሎኛል። ቡና እየጠጣን ምን እንደሚጠይቀን አብረን እናያለን። በድጋሚ አብራችሁን ቆዩ።
አመሰግናለሁ በጣም።
ችግር የለም።
So I have a question, an important question.
Yeah, from the morning today.
በአማርኛ
ከጠዋት ጀምሮ ቡና ስንጠጣ ጥያቄ አለኝ እያለ ነበር። So you can ask now.
ብዙ questions, ብዙ. So yeah, ብዙ question. So I'm asking about that game that I saw in many historical pictures, and more so I was see Haile Selassie playing something like cricket.
You mean the Gena time play?
Gena time, yeah. I see the men in old pictures, they dress white and they are in the field and they play like a stick.
Oh yeah, I know this game, Gena Chawata.
Gena Chawata, okay. So I want to know if it's keeping, because I'm not deep in the country to know, did it keep? For example, in your family, or in your family, I don't think, but I mean, friends or people, it is keep this tradition?
And really, the first I never see. By Marik, it's okay.
Kayo. Sefer? No, yapa. Yelem?
No.
Okay.
Again, Jalmeda Allah.
Jalmeda.
Each Gena time they play.
Okay.
I can answer by Marik, it's alright?
Yeah. Go away.
Wow, you have a good memory. Good question.
Yes, I like the past. I like culture.
የገና ጨዋታ እኛ ሰፈር ውስጥ ሳይሆን ከኛ ትንሽ ራቅ ብሎ ጃልሜዳ እዛ አካባቢ ያሉ ነፍስ ይማር አባቴ የገና ጊዜ ይሄዱና ያዩ ነበረ። ታላላቅ ወንድሞቼ ሰፈር ውስጥ ምናምን ግን እንደ እድል ሆኖ ሄጄ አላየሁትም። አሁን ላይ ተናደድኩኝ። አማድ ነው
አዎ
የሚጫወት ሰው ወንድሞች ብዙ አሉኝ እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን። ግን ሲጫወቱም አይቻቸው አላውቅም። No one of them. They play this game.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it's more something like show to see by some people.
For in Gena, there is a word ለገና ጨዋታ አይቆጡም ጌታ there is a word. You know the song?
Yeah, the song, old song, I know it. Yeah.
And that day the kids they go out, just the boys, men, fathers like that they play. There is no problem, but the women we don't play. And I'm fit the brothers too, they never play.
All right. So it's little forgotten. It's something
Kind of, not
a
this
little
kind
gone.
of, yeah.
Okay, I will back it. I will buy the stick. What's the name of the stick? Do you know?
No, I don't know. I
Tell
don't
us
know
by
the name.
Marinia the name in the comment section, the name of the stick or the name of the package of the game.
Wait,
So if it's gone,
blossom.
I don't like culture is gone. So I will buy the sticks. I take a ticket. I go Ethiopia next Gena, Xavier Okal. I'll play with my brother, with David, Sami,
Yeah,
Teddy
and
Show,
with the kids too.
Bele, kids with Dalako, with
Papi,
Neo.
Christian.
We have big family.
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን.
Xavier Mesgen. Yeah, we'll back it.
That's a good idea. And me, I never play አበባዮሽ ነው አበባዮሽ the new year.
Bayosh, yeah.
ወይ አበባዮሽ በጣም ነው የሚቆጨኝ። ለመጨፈር ሰፈር ውስጥ ቤት ሲመጡ ጨፍር ነበር፣ ግን እንደዚህ እየዞርኩኝ አልጨፈርኩም። But the stick interesting.
Yeah.
ገጠር አካባቢ, ገጠር out of the
Yes.
countryside.
Yeah.
I'm sure that lava they keep.
Okay. Yeah, let
Yeah.
us know.
በሆነ ገጠር አካባቢ እርግጠኛ ነኝ እንደ ይሄ ጨዋታ እንዳለ ጠዋት ላይ ጃልሜዳም እንደሚጫወቱ አውቃለሁኝ። እስቲ እናንተ ወንድሞቻችሁ ወይ ቤተሰቦቻችሁ ይህን ጨዋታ ከተጫወቱ አሳውቁን እና የዱላው ስም the name of the stick
Yeah, tell us, yeah.
አላውቀውም ከይቅርታ ጋር ስሙን እሱንም ማወቅ እንፈልጋለን።
Yeah, good, yeah. I like the past. I'm digger for the past. I love the past of Ethiopia. You guys have beautiful culture. I like to dive in it and to search. I used, and I continue sometime, but in the past, like let's say maybe 9-8 years ago, I was like to dive in the internet and to find the most all collectible stuff possible. I own some very good pictures of the past of the
and you have
kings.
historical much Ethiopian things to keep.
I used to keep it on a drive, and one day maybe I will compile it together. That's very interesting. You have nice country. That's why, guys, don't fight. You have beautiful country. Don't fall for the small tricks. It's beautiful country. May God bless the Agere. And Ulwalem, by the way.
Wait, that's good. Thank you for asking. እንደገና ደግሞ አዲስ ለሆናችሁ ለቻናላችን ከረጅም ጊዜ በኋላ ስለተመለስን ቻናላችን ትንሽ ወደ ታች እየወረደ ነውና አዲስ ለሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉን፣ ቤሏንም ተጫኑና ኖቲፊኬሽን እንዲመጣላችሁ። second one ያቋረጠን ነበር የቀረጽ ነው። እና አዲስ የሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉን። አብራችሁን ለቆያችሁ ለእንደ ሁሉ ጊዜው በጣም ነው የምናመሰግነው። ቴክስት ለምታደርጉልን ኢንስታግራም፣ ፌስቡክ ላይ ኖርማል ቁጥራችንን በሚታቁ ምጽፉልን አላችሁና እግዚአብሔር ያክብርልን። በጣም ነው የምናመሰግነው። I think we finished today. No, we talked to them good.
Yeah, we talked to you good. Know that we are back, that we will post more often now. And like, subscribe and share, and more important is like and subscribe, because YouTube a little when you take vacation is like slavery system. He like to put you down on the pit. So help us. We appreciate. We are very thankful for the support. And that's pretty all for today's video. I'm gonna go for my TG.
After coffee, you take care today.
It's okay, I will sleep after. I will sleep like baby Zare. It's the day of this beautiful sweet Christ, so I will sleep with the memory of him, the born of him, Xavier Mesgen. And again, if it's not to repeat, but very proud to see the Bole Medanelem yesterday. Very proud of you. Let's keep going this way. Let's keep Ethiopia as Ethiopia. Let it never change. Let it never come a Western country. Ethiopia is Ethiopia. So we must take care what we get in, right? So just be careful, be watchful of that. But God will help us, as always. Wow, I sleep nice. Let's see, guys. We see you soon. I let Fasi to finish with you and see you soon. And the fikir, I'm singing a betam for watching. Bye bye.
ባላችሁበት ሰላም ጤና ፍቅርን እንመኝላችኋለን። በስደት ሆናችሁ በዓልን ማክበርም ላልቻላችሁ ይሄ ቀን ላይ እግዚአብሔር ስላደረሳችሁ እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነ ይሁን። ለሚቀጥለው ሌላ ቪዲዮ ይዘንላችሁ እንመጣለን። ባላችሁበት በድጋሚ ሰላም ጤና ፍቅርን እንመኝላችኋለን። ሰላም
ሰላም። Oh, amazing. Doroye.
You're crazy about it.
Yes, I'm crazy. I'm so crazy. I love everything. Every of this mix. I Doro, Ankulal, and Injera. By the way, Tikur Injera. I'm Gondere, so I love Tikur Injera. No, c'est quoi, wait. Nedj Injera, yellem. J'ai pas besoin. I don't need. Wow. I think previous life maybe I was Ethiopian. No, I lied. Fasi. I was born in Ethiopia.
Before.
Yeah, I escaped to France after. I was in somewhere not okay. I escaped. Beka allega. Doro yellem, haib yellem. Beka hulu allega. እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን